Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican Cooking Journey. Tons and tons of you were new right on over here. Special welcome. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning and you're still here, manners and respect. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you, because I think you have already seen the title, Stewed Chicken in Fried Chicken Gravy. Let me repeat, stewed chicken in fried chicken gravy. I want to thank you so much for your love. I want to thank you for your continued support. Please remember to make sure that you're subscribed to all my 4 channels. If you are not subscribed by now, just click off this video a little and go make the subscription. When you do subscribe, hit the notification bell. When you do that, press option all so you won't miss any of my uploads. I'm doing this right here because some people does not watch until the end of the videos. Also, we have a little merch going on, and we will insert what we have in this video, what we have for our merch. So I ask for your support, that you can, support us, that as we go, we can grow, we can get a little more. The more you support, the more I will be able to give you different types of, a variety, so to speak. So thanks for the love, thanks for so much, and all the link to our 4 channels, to our other three channels, will be in the description of this video. Also, the fried chicken gravy will not be made from scratch. It is already there. So I'm going to leave the link to that video, or we fried that chicken, made that gravy, so you can have it. That video is already on the channel. Also, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Click on it, and then you will go right there. So let's get back to this video. I'm going to be doing some stewed chicken, and I'm going to be doing it in some fried chicken gravy. A kind of cross-thread video this. But, you're going to tell me about it, or if you're watching this and you have ever done it this way, you need to share. You need to share with us in the comment section. So, for now, I'm using some granulated garlic. I am saving the fresh garlic and the fresh ginger for the little tea and the little sniffles them. Granulated garlic, I'm using this. This is my chicken seasoning that I use, and it's all dried herbs. That's what it is. Different kinds of natural dried herbs. I am putting in some basil. I'm a basil, I don't I never know if I pick up some on the road. Wow. Putting in some dried basil. That's what I'm using. I will be using, if you have onion powder, or if you so want to. I don't have onion powder because I don't really stock much of these powdered seasoning. I normally have granulated. So I'm chopping these garlic. I'm chopping these onions. So if you have onion powder, you can put it in there. Or, you can grate your onion or whatever. I'm going to do this. I'm also going to put some scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to do all of that and return. Because I take it on no offices on a chicken already for stewing. So do your thing, okay? I'm soon come. I've got here a little pimento that I crushed. I'm not going to use all of this because pimento is strong. Okay? No salt. I'm going to put in this here. Remember, we are stewing chicken. Some people use browning here. So if you use browning, go ahead, use your browning. I'm putting in a little mushroom soy sauce, just for a little flavor, extra flavor. I'm not going to put a lot because I'm going to use another soy sauce. So I won't put a lot. This is my regular soy sauce that has the body. So I'm going to put a little of this. And I'm going to proceed now. No salt for right now to rub my chicken. Your hot water should be there. Been going on. I'm going to put my hand. And mind you, you don't have to season as I did. I showed you what I use. So if you want to see what I use, if you want to use what I use, it's not a lot. You just go watch the video thoroughly and then you'll see. Now we are going to start rubbing up this thing. Feel free to use any parts of the chicken, stew chicken, or be boneless. You can't enjoy boneless stew chicken. I guarantee you that. Make sure your chicken has bones, but any part of the chicken is okay. Wing, breast, thigh, whatever. That part there. So we are rubbing up. So you see that we want a little more soy sauce. You want to get that stew chicken. Also, I've got a video there differentiating stew chicken from brown stew chicken. Also, I'm going to leave the link for you in the description. Let you go check out all of those. Maybe you might be new here and you may be lost to what I'm saying. Those of you who are there with me from the beginning, you may know that. But those of you who are, you know, fairly new here, may be lost in what I'm saying. So I'll leave the link to that video to let you know the difference. How you prepare brown stew different from stew. So look at me here. I'm going to put in a little more of this and come back. We are back and this is what is happening. This is the color that I have my stew chicken at. If you want to go a little darker, you can go. Do as you wish. These are small pieces of chicken. Some people might want to still leave to marinate. Go ahead. These are small pieces of chicken. I've been rubbing them up for about 3 minutes, you know, straight, continuously. And these are small pieces of chicken. They will be stewed down. A part of the stewing down will enable the seasonings to go right through them, depending on how you stew. So right at this point, I'm going to dispose of my little wannabe gloves. And at this point, a little tip tool for curve some of the stuff we are going with we know. You just put your hand inside here and you just pull over and take off your gloves. Okay? Right? Let me go get my hands washed and return. I am back and this is my pot, Jessie, with my fried chicken gravy. This is fried chicken gravy that was made ahead of time. And if you are on the Jamaican cooking journey, you will see, probably not in depth, how we made this fried chicken gravy. You can see this is all gravy, it's not oil. You want to get your flame up right now. Alright? About medium or a little more than medium. And we are going to let this gravy come to eat up a bit. So when it's at that point, I'll come back. Now, you can see that my fried chicken gravy is eating up. Shoot them up, Dad. Alright. What you're going to do now, we're going to get this seasoned chicken right in this fried chicken gravy. You're going to get your flame up. And now we are going to start incorporating this fried chicken gravy in that stew chicken here. Get the pan, Dad?
Yeah, man.
Look at me here, no man. Anybody know about this? Or no can talk to me. No, if you know anything about this, talk to me. So look at me here. You're gonna leave it there to let it start cooking. Start cooking on the medium. I am somebody. I am not fond of stew chicken. I have done so many stew chicken dishes in my life. As I told you, I was in, well, I'm still in the catering field. And stew chicken was one of my least favorite. When we eat stew chicken, I not have nothing else. Brown stew is my thing. And from the day I discovered that I could stew my chicken in the fried chicken gravy, but you have to make the fried chicken gravy a specific way. This is what I came up with. And can I tell you? But I am stew chicken every day done this way. If you know anything about that, let me know in the comments below. So you're going to use your little hot water now to wash around, to rinse out. And we're going to leave that to start cooking. When it is time to stir and to add this, we will return. And as we go along, we'll show you the finishing of this thing may soon come. We are back and we are going right into Jessie right here and now. That shoot them up good. Look at me here. This is where the gravy, the base of this thing I look like already, and it not cooked yet. So you want to start from the bottom, under, and over. Look at this stew. That you on it? Yeah. Look at this stew, family. Look at the look of this stew chicken already. Normally when you do it by itself, so it not pretty, so. Now get your flame up a bit, almost to high, because this here is just gravy. But that gravy is really thick. So you cannot leave it that thick for it to cook this chicken right through. So you want to come right here now on this thing here. You want to put all of this water right now. Not too much. Remember, you got your flame up. So you want to get everything all mixed. So everything is there. So you want to let it stay on the high. Remember, we deal with flame up, flame down, medium, high, low. Yes, that's how we do it. Right on the Jamaican cooking journey. So look at me here now. When it starts bubbling real good, now that you have put that additional water, even though it's hot, it still is going to slow down the cooking process. And that is why we don't add cold water to our cooking on this channel, okay? So, even though it was hot, it has slowed down because what was in the pot was hotter. Now it starts, why I said flame up? Because I want it to maintain it. So look at me now. Look at me here. This is what is happening. So you notice now when your chicken is moving around, it has this different, it's not so thick of a liquid. So it's, you know, it's more on the thinner side. So your pieces of chicken will get to cook properly into this. Look at me here right now. Right here. Right now. One more shot, Dad. One more shot. Right. We have flame up. Ain't gonna go and flame up. We're gonna get our flame down to a little less than medium. We are gonna let our chicken stay in that for the next 20 minutes. Come in every now and then to stir. If it looks like the water is drying out, we say in a regular, or it looks like your water is receding too much, you add a little extra hot water. You know that a little at a time and a little at a time till your stewed chicken is cooked. 20 minutes and your stewed chicken cooked because they are small pieces and on a country fowl. Me soon come. Okay, now family, we are right back and we are going into our stewed chicken pot. That shoot them up. Look at me here. So you want to come and you want to start stirring from the bottom, under and over. When we left here, we left with a reasonable amount of chicken, almost up about right here. Yes, about right here. This is the mark. It has been reduced to this level. The chicken is now cooked. I want to point out something to you, or a few things. The very first thing, you stir around your chicken. I want you to look at this type of gravy. Look at the gravy. I added nothing. All I used was what I showed on camera. I added nothing, absolutely nothing. And that is the beauty of this stewed chicken in the fried chicken gravy. But you gotta make that fried chicken gravy. So I'm gonna leave the link to that video in the description. Look at me here. Look at this stewed chicken gravy. Which part you ever see stewed chicken gravy look like this? Look at me. Dad, shoot them up on this gravy. I want them to see this gravy. I need them to see. You can turn your flame off right here. Right now, family. Look at me here. This is the stewed chicken gravy of all stewed chicken. Look at me here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this stewed chicken. We are going to go plate up some for you when we return. But look at me here. You are to cook your stewed chicken until your stewed chicken is properly cooked to the core. You don't want your chicken looking cooked, and when you start eating those small pieces of chicken, on the inside the meat is raw. Too many times have had stewed chicken from people. That is what happens. That is a total no-no for me and the family. And if that has ever happened to you, oh no, me I don't really know. Me I don't really like that. Comment. Chicken look pretty and nice when you start to eating. You taste this rawness, the chicken. When I say raw, I mean the uncooked. Uncooked, it's not properly cooked to the core. Look at me here. Get back right in here, Dad. This is why we teach as we go. When we left and we were cooking, if you can go back to the video, some of the chicken pieces were not fully colored. But as this thing cooks and it gets all amalgamated in this stew gravy, everything becomes one. Properly cooked, properly gel. You must, though, taste for your final salt perfection. I did just that, and all of that. Your pepper and all of that. I'm going to plate up some for you right here or right now. Let's plate the stew chicken. If we get some mess, we'll clean it up. Look at me. You can have this with your nice white rice, colorless rice, the Jamaican hard-boiled food, all those videos, family. In this time when we have to stay home, look at this chicken. Whilst you listen to me, look at what is happening inside this bowl. Look at what is coming from Jessie to the bowl. We'll clean up before we present. You want to get all in at this time. And when I say when you're home and you got to be cooking and all of that, you want to have that stew chicken. You want to have this stew chicken on the table. Look at me here. Look at me here. Some caramel dumpling. What you know about that? Wow. Let's go clean our plate and come back to make this presentation. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach, to your family dinner table. It is stew chicken in fried chicken gravy. That, shoot them up one more time. This is the finished product. Look at the color. Look at the color. I showed you the consistency of the gravy. Look at the color. Make sure you try this recipe. When you do, remember to let me know how it goes in the comments below. Okay? Thanks for your love. Thanks for your support. Remember, be you, do you, and most of all, love you. Fried stew chicken in fried chicken gravy. Tell me what you know about that. But look here, if you don't know nothing about it, don't say a word. Okay? You do it and let me know. Remember also to give me a fat thumbs up.